Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2015 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen Light 327RES triple slide fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. I do want to apologize ahead of time. It is a windy day, so I do apologize. Might catch a little bit of wind every now and then. This is a one-owner coach. The only reason why the owners are selling this is because they bought a property down in Florida. So they're done with the RV lifestyle. Overall exterior length is 36 feet, 5 inches. And the exterior height to the AC units is 13 feet. And the unloaded vehicle weight, or the dry weight, when it came off the assembly line, is 10,053 pounds. Alright, give you an idea of the floor plan here. This is a triple slide. First slide out, definitely going to be a super slide. Accommodates the freestanding table and chairs. And the upgraded recliner sofa seating feature that the owners actually installed on their own. And the super slide is going to be definitely, it's going to be about maybe 12 to 13 foot long and 3 foot deep. This coach came standard with 2 Lazy Boy recliner chairs. The owners were not happy with the quality of them, so they went out and got this power reclining sofa. Little button right there down on the side. That's your power recliners. It's dual recliners, and it's the ultra leather. The color is going to be a brown, real dark, rich brown looking color, and definitely in excellent condition. Also in the super slide is the freestanding table and chairs. This table is showing a little bit of wear. I do point out everything that may be a concern to somebody who's looking for something in showroom condition. It's a non-issue, but a little bit of wear on the wood. Looks like a cherry finish on your wood, and show off those fabrics. Not sure what the colors are. I'm kind of colorblind sometimes when it comes to certain colors, but you get the idea. And all the fabrics are in excellent condition on the freestanding table area. There we go. Give you that idea. You do have night shades all throughout. Show you your window treatments. Got the wrought iron finish on your window treatments. Those are going to be tans and dark browns. And let's focus to the rear here. Rear entertainment center does have the fireplace. I think it's going to be like a 5,000 BTU furnace. Basically kicks the chill off in the camper. And the finish around the fireplace all the way up to the ceiling is going to be that that artificial brick look. Really neat residential feel to it. And your TV is going to be, I believe it's probably going to be maybe a 40-inch flat screen. A Sanyo. This is going to be another sign of a little bit of wear and tear. I guess they just had stuff sitting here. Probably take some furniture polish and touch it up. This coach has not been detailed whatsoever. The owners, it's just been too cold for them. So this coach is dirty. It's going to be your second slide out. This is going to be a huge super slide. It's going to be about 15 foot long. Accommodates the L-shaped sofa, and it's going to be the ultra leather finish, same color pretty much as the opposing sofa that the owners upgraded to, and it's going to be pretty much excellent condition. This right here is starting to fray. This is an easy fix if you know how to sew. Just it's just coming apart, but other than that, normal wear and tear definitely. And this is all in the slide out. Huge super slide. Show off the cabinets above the L-shaped sofa. Again, the cabinets I believe are a cherry. The finish is going to be maybe a polished nickel finish on your hardware. Nice kind of a smoked glass look. All your drawer fronts are all going to be solid wood. Coach definitely at an entry level fifth wheel. It's going into the higher end, mid to high end fifth wheel quality. Your plank flooring, linoleum. So all your high traffic area is going to be easy to clean, to sweep out. Okay. Still in the slide out is the kitchen. Kind of back up here, give you an idea of the floor plan in the kitchen. Nice huge kitchen. And still in the slide out, it's going to be the 8 cubic foot gas electric Dometic refrigerator. It's automatic, just flip it on, turn it on. A couple hours later, you've got a cold fridge. It does have the stainless steel finish on the door fronts. Okay, also in the slide out is going to be your oven and your microwave. Your oven, again, stainless steel finish. 3 burner gas cooktop with glass lid. Glass lid's dirty. Again, the owners have not had a chance whatsoever to detail it. I kind of put a rush on this to get it on the market because it's the beginning of the spring. Again, stainless steel finish on your range hood and your microwave. Show off those cabinets. All solid wood. And the owners did upgrade this. They put in this little backsplash here. A few things the owners did to make it a little bit more homier for them. Your countertops are all going to be solid surface countertops, like a Corian countertop. It's not the laminate or the foil wrapped. Again, definitely a lot of residential features on this coach. Show off the storage down here. Lots of counter space. Huge stainless steel, double bowl stainless steel sink with cover, and this cover can also be used as a cutting board. Nice pull-out sprayer faucet here. Back up here, kind of show off that floor plan from the kitchen. Great floor plan. Nice residential style lighting and the ceiling in the kitchen area, and you do have a ceiling fan. Your AC is all going to be ducted all the way through. Dual AC units, standard. I believe this is going to be the 50. Well, I know it's the 15,000 BTU AC unit with the quick dump feature. Little louvers there. You open it up and it does a quick dump and cools it off real quick. And once you have it cooled off, close off those louvers and your AC will be ducted all the way through. You do have a 13,000 BTU, 13,500 BTU AC unit in the bedroom, which I'll show you when I get up there. Nice pantry area here, still in the kitchen. Forgot to point that out. And giving it a smoked glass look. Okay, speed up the video. We're going to go up into the side hallway, into the master bedroom. This is a king bed. The king bed does lift up, lots of storage up underneath. The owners, they put that bedspread and pillowcases on. They didn't like the factory, so I like it. I like the colors, but if you don't, you can ask the owners, see if they still have this factory bed spreading. And this is going to be your third slide out. King bed does slide out. You do have a light bulb out right there. Huge closet. And this coach is 50 amp service. And you do have the washer and dryer prep. That's where your washer unit would go and dryer. Combo unit probably. Back up here, kind of show off. TV, I believe, is probably going to be like a 13-inch, and it's on a pivoting arm. Nice hair dryer there. Not sure why that's in here. Usually find them in the bathroom. There's your AC unit. And your ducted AC all throughout the coach. Your furnace or your heat is going to be all, it's going to be a 35,000 BTU furnace on this coach, ducted all the way through, and the ducting also heats the underbelly to protect the holding tanks. Glass enclosed shower with skylight, AC ducted all the way through. In the bathroom also foot flush toilet. Nice vanity mirror and vanity area. Okay. It's going to be your control panel here, back up there. Your holding tank monitors and your battery, all good. Battery's good. Freshwater tank's going to be a 35-gallon freshwater tank. Black tank or toilet tank's going to be 30. Both gray tanks are going to combine be 62-gallon. This is going to be your water pump. It's on demand, so when you can keep it on and it won't activate until unless needed. Water heater, it's going to be a 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip the switch on, 15 minutes later you're ready to go. These are the lights. That light is for the living room. I'm guessing this is for the awning outside. Excuse me, power awning here. This does have dual awnings. This is both your dual awning buttons here. I'm sorry, awning button here and awning button here. And I'll show the two awnings when we get outside. This is going to be your slide button and another slide button. And you also have a slide button in the bedroom. This used to be a surge protector, but the owners installed this, but it doesn't work. Anyway, I do point out everything. Ceiling fan, switch, thermostat. And, oh, this does have the full remote control package. Yeah, you can put the awnings out, turn on the lights, do all sorts of crazy stuff. So this is a full remote control package. It's going to be noisy when we go outside, so again, I do apologize. We're right next to a major road, and it's windy, so let's go ahead and try it out. Hopefully the wind won't get us. You do have a front molded painted fiberglass cap. Easier to clean with LED lights. You are they're calling it a gel coat finish on the fiberglass. It is aluminum frame sidewalls. Your battery would go there. Outside speaker package, and you can put your TV out here if you wanted that option. You have it. Your garage area here, you do have a battery disconnect right there. Saves you on your battery when you're not using the camper. You do have a slide out awning package, and this is going to be your second awning here that they installed. Factory was the first one here above the door entry. You did have the LED lights. Again, this coach has not been detailed, so it is a little dirty. So, but I think a dealer, if they were going to take it in on trade, I think they would definitely 1 through 10 as far as condition, 10 being the best. I think any dealer would definitely rate this an 8, maybe even a 9. Nice ladder to get up onto your full walk-on roof. That ladder is bowed in a little bit right there in the center. And the owner, they bought this at an RV show, and they said it's been like that ever since they bought it new. So, cable hookups there. It does have the backup camera there, and the owners do have the monitor. It does come with it. They have a bike rack that sits right here, and the bikes were rubbing up against the aluminum here. I do point out everything. If y'all watch my videos enough, you notice that I do point out pretty much everything if it's a concern to a potential buyer. All the tires are all brand new. They were made the 26th week of 2018. They were just installed in January. We are in March right now, so they're only a couple of months old. Alright, lamination issues. Your window tinting, not sure what the percentage is going to be on the window tinting. Show off these alloy wheels and your brand new tires. Fully enclosed heated underbelly. 50 amp service. They have a nice breakdown plug from 50 amp and it goes directly to 110. But there's a huge marine style 50 amp cord that you can unplug and stow away. Nice and clean look when you're traveling. 10-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater service panel. This is going to be your 35,000 BTU furnace and exhaust. And I'll show you your dump valves. All your dump valves are all enclosed up into the underbelly. This is your hookup station. Show off that underbelly there, fully enclosed. Power front jacks. This is going to be your water hookups area. This is going to be your water heater bypass. This coach should be pretty easy to winterize. Let's see here, outside shower, city water connection hookup, fresh water connection there. And that's going to, again, that's going to be 35 gallon nice service light and black tank sewer flush up there above the hot and cold running shower nozzles here. It's black tank sewer flush, cleans out your toilet tanks. Yeah, I'm gonna back up here and it's probably gonna be windy or a car will drive by, so I do apologize. Oh, 2 30-pound LP tanks in there. Let's go ahead and show it to you. There you go. Automatic switch over. Yeah, once I back up here, it's going to get windy. Show off that Wildwood Heritage Glen light badge there. Alright, I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. It's a nice fifth wheel, other than the fact it's a little dirty. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.